All I'm saying is, happy motherfucking hump day, Chimis. It's Wednesday. We're in the middle of the week, and you know what that means. Wellness Wednesday recovery. Yeah. And of course, your reminders for mindfulness. Because that's important, Chimis. That's important. I've been activated all morning already. Been doing some stuff, got some stuff done, and was able to go do some self-care as well. Gotta get into my workout and my edits and posting my videos, okay? Yes, it's a busy day. But before I go and start doing all that shit, you know, I gotta make sure that you guys are reminded of what type of mindfulness that you guys should be taking. First and foremost, make sure that you're eating, you're hydrating, and you're taking your breaks in between. Whether it's through a prioritized or chaotic errand or project, make sure that you're not overstimulating yourself or overwhelming yourself with all the fuckery that you gotta do today, okay? Breathe it in, breathe it out. Make sure you take a walk outside and a breath of fresh air. Go get some sun and get some sun-kissed, okay? Take your allergy medicine before you go outside. You don't want to be hacking up and sneezing and all freaking watery eyes and itchy eyes all day, okay? Practice being taken care of for yourself. Shake it a little bit and garden while you garden, okay? Read, meditate, do your workout, have some fun. And make sure you're taking care of yourself, Chimis. Even if it's to take a damn nap, okay? It's okay. You tired? Go take a nap. It's Recovery Wednesday. And if you happen to be relaxing on the bed, on the chair, wherever outside, and you happen to stumble upon my hyperactive ass on the FYP, you know what the fuck to do, Chimis. Share my shit. Share my shit. Like, follow, comment, share, repost, reshare me to your story, and reshare me to your besties, okay? It's important for me. I'm trying to get myself out there. Thank you for your support. And while you're still at it doing that, make sure you go take a visit to my Zeeswax link, okay? It's on all my bios, but I'll definitely put it in the captions down here as well with all the other links for you to follow. My Patreon, my Discord community, and of course my YouTube. Today we are on for the midday live here on TikTok, and then at 7:30 p.m. on YouTube live for the Wellness Wednesday recovery. So make sure that you have your notifications on for both places so that the algorithm knows to send you the invite. And you guys are reminded. If you happen to miss any of the scheduling or any of the lives throughout the week, just take a look at my videos that I post up daily and you will see the schedule right in one of the corners, even in this one. I post it up here so you guys know when I go on. And it's also posted on my bio as well. If you guys are looking for a boot camp to get your body right, tight, and ready to go outside and do the summer fight, go sign up for my self-care and wellness boot camp, 6 weeks with me, Z. Get y'all taking care of yourselves. Through dance, through low intensity and high intensity strength training and toning, and of course cardio and stretching and shenanigans, of course. But make sure you go sign up because there's only 10 spots left. If you need the link, it's in my Discord. That's why I tell you guys, join my Discord community. That's why I always give my updates daily and I chop it up with you guys all day throughout the damn freaking threads. It's fun over there. We got a party lounge, we got a dance lounge, and we also got a mindfulness lounge over there too. It's the place to be, yes. Anyways, Chimis, I will see you guys later on the FYP and on the lives. And make sure that you have a most wonderful, wonderful, beautiful Wednesday. And don't let a motherfucker get you out of your character. Remember, we choose peace. Peace. Much love, Chimis. I love y'all. And I'll see you guys later.